Hey everybody, it is Tuesday, June 6th, 2023. It's about 11:30, and I was traveling here in Medina, and I caught a lucky catch. I caught a wheeling Lake Erie train. The video you're about to see was the train going through town, and I caught it over on Liberty, and I also chased it down the State Road and did a separate video there. So what you're gonna see in the video when I cut to it is my first catch when I caught it down on Los Liberty Street was on the Medina OH connector track, and then it was going down near State Road, near North and South State Road, and then it was caught down there, and then I caught it down there and I filmed it. So, and also when the train was blowing its whistle going through the crossing, I happened to wave to the conductor, and he was very polite. He waved back to me with a polite voice. So he didn't talk, but he waved back very nicely. So I could tell he was a nice engineer. So, but you'll be seeing that when I cut to the clip. So, but yeah. So for now, enjoy the video. Lucky catch. I think I saw a wheeling Lake Erie train down here on the State Road. It was parked on the Medina OH connector track. I'm gonna see if I can catch it going down the crossing. And if it does, I'll be happy to film it. But we're getting towards there now. So let's see if maybe we can get a catch. We can get a catch of it coming down the tracks. I think it was wheeling Lake Erie 7012. So let's see if maybe we can catch it. Anyway, here's State Road, and I saw it parked on the right. On this side, parked on the right side. And they were down here. So they're right there on the Medina connector. So I'm not sure where they are now. Maybe they're down here by the maybe they're down here by the E-check place. So maybe we can take a look and see, maybe. Because I didn't see anything over down by Smith, so maybe it'll be down here. I got a green light. This here is South State Road, so let's see if maybe it went down this way. Well, the gates are not down, the lights are not on, so either maybe it didn't come down this way, or I'm not really sure. Because I did not hear any whistles, so I don't know where it could be right now. It's a beautiful night here in downtown Medina. And it was not down there, so maybe what we'll do is we'll wait around a little bit and see if maybe it comes around. So, but for now, I didn't see it. So, but for right now, we'll just stop the camera and see if it comes around. So, I'll be back if it comes through. Lucky catch, guys! The train's right there. It's wheeling Lake Erie 7012. near State Road, which he is. I'm gonna chase him down. He's going down near State Road. I'm gonna chase him down. Yeah, he's going down. The train's going down near State Road. We're gonna catch him. We're gonna catch him going down there. Pull right here. I'm gonna get out and film it from here. Sorry, my camera might be out of focus.